are now going to be trading some binary option here at Iqcent. Just let me confirm that we are live everywhere. Let's see. Seems like we are. Okay. Good. Then let's see if we can find some trading pairs today. Right from the bat, I like this area up here. Look decent. I think I would like to mark it actually from around there to up about there. I like that. Let's. It's OTC. Sorry. We are not going to trade OTC. Let's see here. This one you can see is trending a lot. We are not going to trade that. Let's change our bid to 100 by the way. Not now at least. Down here, do you have some history? That looks decent. Let's mark it, let's take a look. I'm thinking about there to there. Let's take a look. We cross up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I will say all winners. This one. Let's say one loser on this one. So 9 against 1. I think that's a good place. So if we can get the entry in between these lines there, I think we will be good. So let's sit and wait a little for this one. Let's move it to the start. And let's see what we can do. Okay. So we are going for entry in between these two lines there. Seems like it's big. It is actually a pretty big area. But here you see most of the time he just go a little bit below this blue line. So here I can't wait to the middle side. Normally I like to wait to the middle area. But here I think I'll try to get the trade right away across the line. So let's see. What we manage. Okay, take a little while. So let's look something else and jump a little back forward. Now I'm looking up here. Let's see if we mark from there to about there. Maybe take it there. We get this one. One loss. 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I think we can try. Looks like the trend is done also, so if we can get one more entry up there now, we'll take it. Or is it on? That's the question. Let's move it here. Let's check this one fast. He got close, but not good enough. Check some more pairs while we wait. Do not. This old one here, it's still decent, I would say. In the middle area, let's move it over here as a watch list. Let's see, gold. Gold is sweet up here. Up in this area. And gold is sweet down here. This area. Okay, let's move gold also. Then we have 4 we're looking. Okay, this one's too far away. Little far away. Little far away. Okay, which one is closer? I would say probably gold. Let's see now. So we currently are following 3 pairs. 4 pairs, I mean. Ooh, terrible entry. Terrible entry. I pushed it on here and I got the entry here. But let's see if we still can get it. That was a terrible entry. I hate to lose if I lose a terrible entry. But we still might get it. We just might still get it. By the way, I should get on some coffee. Looks like we started with a win, even with a terrible entry. I like that. $78. That's a good start. See, I like that. Even though we got a bad entry, we got it. So let's continue. Oh, one more terrible. It's difficult to get a good entry on this one. Let's check the other ones also. Okay, here we broke below, so thankfully we're not looking that one. Australian dollar, little far away. Okay, a little far away. So looks like for the current moment we have gold. See if we can win that one. Looks like we're deep in the money. 5, but he's moving very fast. 4, 3, 2, and 1 more. Very good. That's it. So even though my entry was not the best, we got it. But see here now, he did go very low. But I think we still will trade in this area. We're done good till now, so but I see we need to be careful. We got 2 terrible entries till now. So we need to be on edge. I'll zoom in, sometimes I see that help. So let's see here now. I'm ready to take a trade. I will just, when I cross the line, I will just go for it. Let's see. I'm moving very fast. Come on now. not take it. Came so fast, I was like freeze in a moment. Let's see. But yeah, if you got here now, you got a good entry. Yeah, of course, if you got entry here, you maybe got it up here, but still, I was too slow. Let's see now. I can hear my coffee stone, so if I can get a trade now, would be beautiful time for me to take a trade and go and get it. Let's see. Come on. He's being incredible stubborn. But yeah, the ones to detect this trade here, you won. Congratulations. Me personally, I was way too slow. Actually, I did just freeze. Let's see. So that it means we are 3 up on this one. Me personally just 2, but okay, let maybe get now. We need to be super fast on the trigger here. But also be careful if you should pass the line. We don't want to take in trades below here. Okay, so be very, very, very careful. We want only trade in between these 2 lines. Because if the bar close below here, you can continue downwards. Okay, so be aware. If you should pass here and you're too slow on the trigger, don't take the trade. Don't think that you take the trade just to get a better entry. We don't want the entry down here. Okay. Yes, I see he did cross by here and here, but no, it's not an area we want trades. Okay, let's see. And there I'm in, and I got it. Got it there. I got a good entry for once. And I'm going to get myself the goal. Okay, did we lose that one? I guess we did, as it did break down. Let's see. Yeah, we lost that one. And we are done trading, by the way, on this one here then. Let's just collect this $6. Help us a little. Plus 6 minus 100. So we are now currently sitting at a $62 profit. Yeah, it's okay. At least we're in profit. Now, do you want to trade more here? No, I don't think so. We have seen too many times we break easily below here now. So it's not a so good area. Now let's see what we have here. You see he broke below, supported a little, was resisted a little here. But I think we skipped that. Plus you can see here we are building a trend downwards. I can mark it, so you see. So even though we want that here now, it's coming into a squeeze. Okay, so yeah. By the way, for the ones that I've seen in Telegram, we are running a bot there now. It's connected with another Iqcent account I have. So it's trading I did trade 12 hours yesterday. I think I will go for run it 24/7. That was what I did make a vote about it. We got a few votes, so people want to run it all the time, so I'll let it run all the time. That robot actually have a decent win rate. I think ended up around, I did write it down when I did start robot today, I think it was like around 70%, was amazing. So that one. So, but if you want to copy the robot or copy my trades here, just go back to where you came from, the Telegram chat group, and from there just go through the link. The link come every time the robot takes a trade, so just sign up there and make sure you use the promo code alpha1 and you can be starting to trade together with me also. Now let's see here. Currently, none of the 4 original pairs we have anything for us right now. So let's jump over to this one, see if we can find something else to trade. Let me check how many people we are live now. We are 4 people in Telegram, I can see. Let's see how many we are in the academy. Academy is slow today. Just 4 people there also. So only 8 people are following me right now. Typically we are together with the academy, we are around 30. So a little slow day. Now, for example, if I would like to trade up here, I would like to see something to the left that this area actually is something, but this, yeah, zoom out, don't have any information up here. So that means three times is not enough for me to take a trade. Here, down here, okay, we start to have a little more. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it's super tight. So for now, we wait with this one, maybe come back later. What I like to see is something like here, like you can look to the left and you can find areas that actually is decent. Like for example up here, let me see, I think I like it. See, most of the time you win in that area, so if you come there again, yes, I go for it. Let's count here now. 1, 2 losers, 3, 4 and 5 losers total. Let's take the winners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think this is a copy. So a lot of winners. But I said 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I would say 4 losers. So this is a good one. Here we easily trade. Let's see. If you don't get any action, I move it to start, so you can start to follow this one here. If we start to close below here now, we might move away from it. So as long as we keep the bar higher than this, we should be good. Let's see. I can see we start to build a good community at Telegram also. Currently we are sitting on 712 people, pretty decent. I see average we are around 11, 12 people live here at any time, so that is pretty decent also. In the live stream now, I don't think so many, I don't think people are so aware of it. I think most just follow the robot. But now we have 2 viewers, so a little slow. Was 4 just a little while ago. But yeah, we are doing decent. As we're talking about just a quite new group. Now we're getting close to a trade up here. Let's see. We came pretty close. So if you come in between these two bars here, we just push down. You see we have no trend. We had the trend here, for example. And I'll show you an example. See, we had a trend here, you see. And here we came to a squeeze. And what happened with the squeeze? We push up. So always when you have a possibility to draw a trend, draw it. Currently we are in a good area. We don't have any. We're going a little sideways market. I just wish he did go a little higher so you get more trades. But this is the area we need to take a trade. Bottom area here, yes, I'm looking at. It do not look so bad. Let me mark it. Let's have a look. Don't take any trade based on the lines I make now. Now first we need to count. Let's go from here. Here's the first pack. 1 loser, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's too many losers. We are not trading them. So that's why we always just take your time. Don't think about that if you lose one trading opportunity. Does not matter. Take your time, count, and if you get too many losers, just skip it. Now we're moving a little away from this line. So let's jump over the 4 we had original and let's see if we can find something else. So here, for example, here you can draw a trend line downwards. So even if you had a area down here now, we'll see we come to a squeeze, so we will not trade it. Here we have a sideways market, but what do you see again? A trend. So even if I wanted to trade here, I could not do it, because you see we have a squeeze. And what happened with the squeeze? You know the deal. He either will break down, like it looks like he's doing right now, or he will break to the upside. Either way, it's not something you want to trade. Here I see nothing, at least not right now. Maybe here I'll need to count. Like always, we take our time. We don't care if we come up to the area while we're counting. Let's take from here. 1 loser, 2. Let's count winners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I call 8 against 2. I call that's an easy calculation. That is an 80% win rate. So I think we can take a trade up there. Let's move this one over here. Let's check super fast the next 2 just to see if we have something more. And here we have a downwards trend. Okay, so then let's follow this 2. Let's see here now. We are getting close. Maybe get a trade here now. I'm ready. Here we need to take a trade right away he crossed the line. If, as always, if he for a reason shoot past the upper line here, then don't take the trade. We are not interested to try to get a better trade up here. There are no better trade, because if we come up here, he probably will continue upwards. So we only want to trade if the bar just stop on this one. So of course when you take a trade here, he might shoot past it, but if he shoots so fast that you don't manage to put the bottom, if you're past this line here, don't take it. Okay, so that's the only rule you need to think about here now. Now, one thing we are aware of, do you see it? I will not show it yet. Do you see it? Okay, I gave you a chance. If you didn't see it, congratulations. You see here, we have a trend upwards. So I will mark it a little better. So here, once again, we need to be aversion for the squeeze. I would say we can easily trade this at least one more minute. We can trade on this bar and this bar. If we don't come up here by next bar, we skip it because then the squeeze come. He will need to choose like down or up. He will need to break out from this squeeze. So always when you are able to draw a line like this, draw it. This can help you so you can get your win rate higher. Okay? Because if you just blindly trade support and resistance, then and you don't take your time to be counting, because always count, and it's very easy to count. You see here he broke to the downside. Every time a bar from the downside break higher, that's a loss. Okay, so then you see easily, you can see here he broke to the downside. Here we have one broke it, two broke it, easy. How many winners? That's every one time he did come up. Even if you break up here, does not matter. He see it close below, we count that as a win. Okay. Let me see if we can get a trade. He's staying a little far away. Let's take this as the last bar. Let's do that. This is the last bar we trade. If don't come up here now, we stop. So let's see. Looks for me he's pushing much downwards, so for me it looks like he want to go break to the downside, but this also might just be a fake out that he's preparing to get people to believe that he go down, but he's obviously going up. But let's see, does not matter. This is the last bar, by the way, so does not seems like I get a trade up here, so let's go back to this one. And we are incredible far away. Okay, let's go back here. Last check. No. No more trades here. Now we move on. So this is how it is. Sometimes you get a lot of trades, sometimes you get just few. You just need to be patient. Here once again, you see when you can draw a line like this, draw it. Even though we are far away, you are prepared. Okay, so if you follow this trend, even if he did come down here now, I would say we will only trade till probably this line there. So that means you have just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes to come down here. After that, we see the squeeze come. We don't want to trade in this box here. This box here, we stay away. Okay? Because yes, probably, if you continue following this trend, he will probably come down here. He will come to somehow a squeeze here. I will not say here because it's not too strong, but this one is half strong. So he will come to squeeze here. If he breaks the downside here, and he will go in between here. We need a little space. Okay, I like what I'm seeing. He's now testing already very fastly down to this area here. Do you see? But let's check back a little later. We can move it over here. Okay, we have a decent area here. I will mark it. We need to count first. So once again, the rule is while I'm doing this, till I've counted, we don't care if we come down here. Don't take a trade. We need to count first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 winners. Let's count losers. 1 loser, 2 losers, 3. not count this because he had not crossed it above. So 3 against 10, that's a good area, we trade it. So if we can come down there again, we'll take it. Let's move it to there. So now we are following these two. Let's check if we're getting down. Now let's see. If you're thinking here, I don't see so much corrected left. So I don't feel, yes, lately now you see, it looks like I have a good area here. Maybe later, but the problem is when I look to the left, I don't see a clear area there in that area. So that's why I'm not trading here right now. But down here I feel it's better. Now we might get a trade. Be ready. What I'll do, I will zoom in. We have a little trend going upwards. No, it's not clear, but I can see it. So even if you were thinking about here now, this is not so easy to see, but you see the lines go up. This is a little lower, but the rest is. So even if you're thinking here now, it's a squeeze here now. We hope he chooses to go to the downside, because if you go to the upside, we lose this trading opportunity down here. But we don't have any warning signs for down here. Let me see. Maybe. No. I'm stretching it if I take a trade here. A line there. Let's see. But yes, if you did trade here, you actually would have done pretty good, I see. But for me, I did not see it. But it's not always correct. I see that if you had traded from the start here, you would have got probably a few winners. Let's see. I feel like he wants to go upwards. Let's see. Okay. Let's check back on this one. What happened? Okay, in this area he chose to go to the upside. Okay, so he never came down here. Okay. Then let's see here. He's still respecting this line here, but also we can now mark it. We are not trading it, we mark it. See, coming to a squeeze here now. I hope he breaks to the downside so we can trade on here. But you see now he's coming to a squeeze. He need to choose, is he either going to go to the upside or is he going to go to the downside? And looks like, yeah, like I said very early on, me looks like he's want to go upside, and you see he's doing that now. So once again, you see, if you're trading here, yes, you would have made crazy good money. By the way, we did call it around here, so you can see we would got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 winners against maybe a loser here. So I was too worrisome because I could not see a good area over here on that zone. But yeah, if you did trade here, you did good. Me personally, I did not go for it. And of course, you can trade. If we could trade for what we have thinking about, then we would have made a lot of money. But yeah, he closed there now, so that means it's a no-go. He will go up. Now, what's going on here? No. Not at this current moment, at least. Okay. Now I will say we can trade here again. Can remove this strong line. Wait a little. Wait a little. Trend line have over. Trend line looks like this now. Let's move it to start. Let's see. Right now we can't trade here. It's coming a squeeze. Actually, I will do it on this bar. This will be the last bar. Here I feel the squeeze is too tight. We skip it. As you can see, I'm a very careful trader. So, like I said before, sometimes we hit a sideways market and we print money, but then we come to a little dead area. We are looking, and we don't get some interest. Now let's see how this looks like now. We count from here: 1 loser, 2 losers, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 losers. Let's count winners. 1, 2, this is not good enough. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's a good area. We can go for this. Let's see if you can get a trade here now. Very slow day. As you can see, I think I've just taken 3 trades, 2 winner, 1 loser. Let's see. Oh, I'm ready. Come on, that was very close. Incredible close to take a trade. But we need a little more down than this. He peaked there, and I got it on the line. So decent entry. While we wait, as we are so slow today, I will look for other trades while we're waiting that one. We got a decent entry, so we should have opportunity to win. I think I got it on the line. So we know 13 out of okay. Come on now. 3, 2. Let me go and check what happened. Okay, he did. I take one more. Should have done that. He did go a little low, but let's see. I should have waited till he go above the line. Maybe this was a mistake. Like that, don't all. Why I did that? I should have waited till he go above it. Did a mistake there, I think. Let's see. Maybe I'm lucky by that. He closed it below also even. That is not nice. I think we're going to lose one more. -100. Let's see. No, I think you lose that one. That was a mistake. I should have waited across the bow. Why I did that? That was a mistake trade. I lost. I don't think I could do mistakes. I take my bid up to 200. I haven't been so good this week, I need to admit. Very, very, very bad. I think my win rate is low. You see, win rate is 50. Profitable for the 6 last trades. I have something from yesterday then, but no, that is not good enough. Let me see. We don't have any information down there, so we can't trade this area here. Even though it looks good, we don't have enough information. Here, I would say there we have enough. We are out of the trend. We can go for it. Let's mark it. From there to about there. I'll take that. Easy. We can see this trend here is done. You see what happened? He crossed it upside. That is the best scenario if you're trading down here. But always be aware of trends. Now we don't need to think about it because it's done. Now might we have something here? So now let's see. We don't have any information there right now, so I can't trade it. But yes, we probably have something here also. We have one there. I think actually we have enough to market. Let's see. And there he probably broke it. So I did not need to count it or nothing. Let's move it there. Let's follow. See if we can count down. Up here. So strong support, so makes sense. I'll mark it. If we take it, let's count as one loser there. I think we can take it from there to about there. It's a good area. I'll take a trade there. Let's see. here looks good. Let's take a look. By the way, I need to check how we are in time. Sometimes I forget the time a little. I'm only trading 1 hour. Let's see. Okay, we have a good 10 minutes left. But yes, this area here also looks nice. Let's check this one. Okay. Now I'm thinking here. Looks nice, we take it. Let's see. See. Count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 winners. Take the losers. Cross over here. 1, 2 losers. 6 wins, 2, not the best, but we go for it. As we have so few trades, the win rate is good enough for us. Let's see. We're also following this one. Let's see what's going on here. A bit far away right now, so we follow this one for now. Okay, let's see. I'm taking a $200 trade. Let's see. I got an entry here. I think that can be good enough. Let's hope. I will go and make myself a coffee while I wait this one. Water, I mean. He's breaking down. I need to see it. Come on. I think you win. Okay, we did not win. We need then 2 winners to turn things around. But you're only getting so few trades. This has been a bad week for me. Not that we lost a lot, but yesterday we lost like $10. But today you're down 338, but the day before we had like 350 profit. So this week we are more or less in zero. We are not here for going zero, so it's a slow week. But still Wednesday. We just need to find one good area where we print money and we fix everything. Always need just one perfect sideways market for 1 hour and we can make thousands. Now let me see here what's going on. Do you know what? This here is actually good. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 winners. Let's take losers. 1, 2, 3 losers. We take it. Let's remove some of these other lines here for confusement. There, let's go for it. When you can't be careful, if you see two lines same height, it's typically just this bar is wrong, it's a copy of this one. Oof. Oh, two bad entries. No, I'm just going crazy. I don't really want to see. I wanted a good entry. I'm too scared to look this. I hate when I get bad entries. I don't manage to see the screen. Now I'm getting emotional because I can even lose 600 or I can gain like close to 500. Come on now. Just 15 more seconds. If I lose this, I will be super sad. So the day is broken. The week might be broken. But this, if we win, you need to keep the one trade even if you get bad entry. But yeah, we got it. Learn from this. Don't come in the situation I did now. Yes, we'll come on good onto it, but take just one trade. Yes, we got good here now, but yeah. By the way, we made that some profit today. 156, but don't do what I did now. Keep to one trade. At least now we are 130 in profit, so we did fix that, but I did not like I did take 3 trades, but I did not get a good entry. And I just wanted a good entry. But yeah. At least it ended good. Now let's see. How are we now in time? We still have 5 minutes left, so let's keep trading. I will now, trust me, I'll just take one trade. But we see that I will zoom in. See if I can get a good entry. From all trades, I think was just the last one actually was a good entry. This two was terrible. I got entry like down here. As long as we get in between here, we're golden. But thankfully, we won all 3 of them. This could have turned out very bad for us. Let's collect this $20 up here also. By the way, I changed back to 100 now. Change to 100. There. We might just get a trade in the bottom also now. So we are now $150 in profit. Pretty sweet. Now let's see. Now we need just wait a little again. Now he stopped it there. trade on here. If you get there, that is. Or in time. I will trade this bar and one more. So if you can come there on this or next bar, I take a trade. After that, we will stop this live stream. You can of course continue to trade up here and down here. For me, it looks like you see it have been sideways for a very long time here. So this is a very good one to be trading. So you can make a lot of money in this zone. You can just continue. But this will be the last bar I trade today. So if you come down here, I take it. If you come up here, I take it. If don't go anywhere, we are done. Let's see. Other than that, you can also copy the bot. The bot are also trading. Actually, it's bots. There's two bots trading. So you can follow whoever you want, the different brokers. Well, let's see. They have the same setup, so win rates from day to day can be different on them, but they should have more or less the same win rate, both of them. Now let's see. Like for example, now both bots are running one trade each. Both are back actually in the money. Okay, then we are done for today. Thank you for tuning in. I will be back again tomorrow same time, so make sure you tune in then. Let's make some more money together tomorrow and have an amazing day.